What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how you guys can make an extra $100 to $200 a month, per website using Amazon Associates. Now, this is just with Amazon Associates, guys, so this is super powerful here. So, basically, this is all 100% free for me because obviously I know how to get free traffic. But if you don't know how to get free traffic, basically what you're going to have to do is pay for it, obviously, right? So what you need are blogs. You need a blog that's, self-automated, right? So this is literally all I'm breaking down step by step, exactly how I do this here, right? So what I do is I'll have my developers make a, website that's like automatically getting videos and content. Like it automatically does it. So that website runs 100% on autopilot, right? So that's very important because you don't want to get a website that doesn't get new content and stuff like that. So whenever, this website here generates the new content, it, sends an email, or a push notification, out to, the people that I send to this website here. All right. So whenever they go to this website here, and let's say I'm like, if you put in your email here, you'll get a free ebook, or you'll be entered to win a giveaway of whatever the website's about. And I actually do the giveaways, right? So like once you do that, your email list is just going to start, getting bigger and email bigger, bigger and bigger and bigger, or your push notifications, whatever, right? So once you do that, every time this site here, gets some new content, let's say a new video comes out, right? And then, you can be like, you can have it set up in the back end where every single time the website, produces some new content, it automatically sends them a push notification, right? Over and over and over, right? And if the website is generating a new story or two stories every single day, those same people are going to get sent your same stuff over and over and over. And you can have it set up for categories and stuff like that. Let's say they're in let's say the Ferrari niche or the BMW niche or whatever, right? And then like the just found out new specs came out for whatever the new BMW is, and you can send them like, oh, new specs just came out, and then obviously they would go to that website. Now, depending on how you have it set up or how you have your developers set up the website versus if it generates a new story, you can have it obviously where you have like, let's say this is the website right here, right? And over here are your ads, and then let's say you got an ad up here, and then like you got like an ad here, and then like obviously it looks a lot better than whatever. So like this is like some content right here, some more content right here, then you might have some more down here or whatever. But basically you just have it monetized, right? So depending on again how they set it up, where it automatically, like takes stuff from takes offers from other websites and automatically put it in there, or you have to go and do it manually for every single one. So it all depends on how you guys get that set up there. But for the most part, for the Amazon part strictly, it normally has it automatically set up where they're at the side right here and at the bottom, right? And then depending on type of story, you're going to get a lot of organic traffic because of all the shares, that are coming from the website. I mean, from people sharing the website on Facebook and stuff like that, especially if it's like a viral video or a fight video, or anything along those lines, right? So once they share it, then of course, the process literally just starts over again. So once they share it, then more people are going to see it, and then those people are going to see it, and then those people are going to see it, and then the same process again. Every time the website makes a post, it's automatically going to get sent to all of these people here, and then whatever, if they like that video, then of course they're going to share it, and then so on and so on. So this is how you literally just get a bunch of free traffic, damn near 100% free. Now again, if you don't know how to do Google Trends, or any way where you can get a massive amount of traffic 100% free, then you are going to have to use paid traffic. There is no way around it, because like there are, I wouldn't say a lot of people doing this, but I mean there are competition. So let's say you got this article right here, then your website, just takes another article, and it's literally the same exact article, right? Same exact thing, same exact content, everything. So then what are they going to do now? So Google's going to be like, okay, well, this website over here, the average person stays on 20 minutes, right? And they're getting 100K views, visitors per month. And then this one over here is literally getting nothing. All right, there's nobody over here. There's nothing going on. Who are they gonna, rank for that article? This one right here. Like yours isn't even gonna show up unless it's something extremely small, which is gonna be unlikely if if your website is automatically generating and pulling this stuff in. So it's a very simple process here. So that's basically it right here. As you can see, we got a total of 558 clicks for this particular website right here. We got 39 orders that need to be shipped out. We got 37 items that have been shipped out. We made $163 from that. And again, this is all free money, and this is normally per website. So if you have 10 websites going, that's pretty much, what is that, $1,000 every single month on autopilot. $1,000, $2,000 every single month. And this is a very, very, very simple process. Now, you don't want a website that has to do with everything. Like, I mean, you can if you want to, whatever, but it's better to go into like a specific niche, right? So let's say you wanted to do pets, right? So let's say you want to do pets, and then they broke down, they use like, okay, you wanted a website all about dogs, right? But there are a lot of websites that are about pets, and about dogs. So then let's say you wanted to break it down even further to, let's say like you focus solely just on like pit bulls or Rottweilers or, something along those lines. Now that's going to be a lot less competition for you in this right here. And then all the people who follow, you on this page here, basically what they're going to do is, they're going to obviously just stay they're likely to be more engaged with your website because it's all about their pet, right? That's like if you go to Walmart and you go to, like the pet section, and like they had just a pet section all about pit bulls, and you had a pit bull. Why would you go into the other sections when you have your own section right here, type of thing? So that's basically what you want to do. Build it around something that's completely tight knit, and then literally duplicate the process over and over and over. And again, this does take some work, guys. You do have to pay developers to set it up. I mean, technically you can do it yourself, but I just pay the developers to do it because it's a lot simpler, and I can get them to do it, for very cheap. And then while they're doing that, I can literally just focus on doing other stuff. But that is pretty much it, guys. If you haven't done this, this is literally a method inside TeamDeAngelo as well. So you guys, I forgot. I think it's in small business if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it literally goes over this step by step, and we actually go through, set up everything and all of that. But it's a really simple method, guys. So hope this helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy Thanksgiving.